Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli, and today in this video we are going to be reviewing the G40 globe LED string lights, which are basically LED bulb lights. Now taking a look at the box, have the right side of the box. You can look at those. It is fragile, obviously. We have the back, pretty plain. We have it set to RGB. That's the one we got. And now this isn't with the controller, and you can control the colors. I like to see that in the future. That's just a little suggestion. Maybe you guys can make one of those. That'll be really cool. And it is marked as US. Alright, taking a look at the box. We're gonna open it. These are very festive lights. I highly recommend them for Christmas decorations. So here it is. Go ahead and focus. Whatever. Alright, so on the side here we do have the power cable. Very tiny, which is good. And then we have the to power on the lights. Now I already have them, so they are all plugged in. They come like this. They should all be plugged into the light bulbs. And all you have to do is get the wall adapter and plug it into a wall. I will go ahead and do so. Now I do have this nice Kuzu headset stand, which has two outlet ports, so I could just plug it in from there like that. And then all you have to do is get the other end of the cable, which should be right here, and you just have to plug it in like this, and it will turn on as soon as I click this button. So that's what it looks like. It doesn't capture everything on camera, but it does look very nice. Oh my gosh, these look so awesome. And obviously they look a lot cooler with this on, but they still look very cool with it without. Now you can't capture this on camera, but it does look so amazing, guys. It looks better like this, because it, my gosh. Okay, so you guys can use these for Christmas lights. You could put it in the backyard. You could do anything with them. They're very cool. I like them a lot, and obviously you can turn them off. Yep, just like that. Turn them back on. Very nice, guys. I like these RGB globe lights, bulb lights, basically. They are by SZZZ or SZZCCC, Faith and Lighting, basically. Link in the description to buy these. They are on Amazon. They are $35, I believe, which are very good for RGB lights. If they had a remote, it would be a lot better, but these are still very cool. They are very elegant. I like the colors of them and how they change just magically and not in the same order. They're just all random and over the place, which is very cool, because in festive you want like colorful, very colorful, and this represents it. I like it a lot. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're newer in here, because it only takes 5 seconds to do so, and why not? It will help my channel out, and you get to watch more reviews. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace.